Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've last uploaded, but I'm finally back and I've actually been filming a few new projects behind the scenes, so I'm really excited to start sharing them all with you and to be more consistent from now on. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this gorgeous marble clock using Pampas grass. I absolutely love it. I love the end result. I love how soft and natural it looks. It just brought my room together. It's a beautiful piece that you can use in any room, I'd say, but I chose to place it in my bedroom. So to start with, I've got my clock that I actually bought from Temu. Then I picked up two flower foam cages that are also from Temu. I placed them both on my wall in the direction that I'd like my Pampas grass to face. I didn't use any nails on this, I just used double-sided tape that I bought from Amazon, which I will be listed down below. That tape is very strong. It says that it can hold up to, I believe, 3 kg. I think it's either 3 or 10 kg, something like that, but I will list it down below. That tape is amazing. Okay, so as you can see, it looked a mess here, but I did fix it. I did play around with the Pampas grass and I added more and it ended up looking beautiful. Trust the process, guys, trust the process. I actually got my inspiration from a mirror that I bought from Etsy, but when I had received it, it didn't look anything like the pictures that I saw online, and I thought I'm going to do this myself because I am a DIY girly and I knew that I could do it myself, and I was really happy with the end result. So as you can see, I really wanted my Pampas grass to be like an arch. I didn't want it to go all the way around. I did just want it to just face one way, and yeah, I didn't want it to look like a lion's mane. And I just started to mix different shades to give it that full fluffy look. I didn't actually intend for it to be so fluffy at the end, but I actually really liked it. But yeah, I would advise you to not be afraid to just play around with it, put it the way that you want it to look. However you feel it looks best, do that, and don't be afraid to change it around, because I actually did finish it. I thought I was finished, and then I woke up and I thought I don't like it. And then I went back in again to just rearrange it, and I am really satisfied with the end result. So what I'm doing now is I'm just filling up all the gaps. Anywhere where you can see the foam cage, just cover them all up. Mixing and matching different Pampas grass. There's some of them that look terrible, so just be careful. But it might be nice to some people, but for me I didn't like it. So I'll just mix the ones that I felt looked the best. Okay guys, are you ready to see the end result? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I know, it's so pretty, right? And I know you've never seen anything quite like this before, so give me my flowers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm just kidding. But guys, I do really hope you guys enjoyed this product just as much as I did. And if you want to see more home decor DIY videos like this one, just let me know down in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos I've been working on. And thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.